Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Apple Pay on Coinbase. In order to use Apple Pay on Coinbase, you'll typically need to first of all add your bank card to your Apple wallet and then use Coinbase on wrap within the app. That means what you have to do is first of all make sure your bank credit card or debit card is added to your Apple wallet. You could do this within the Apple Wallet app itself, and if you're using an app that utilizes on ramp, Apple Pay will automatically appear as a payment option, which makes eligible purchase as well. Then you want to choose Pay as your payment method when prompted to purchase crypto within the Coinbase. As you've done it, so you want to confirm the purchase and complete a transaction through Apple Pay, which will typically involve using Face ID or Touch ID or on your device. As you've done it, so you will then be able to use Apple Pay on Coinbase. That is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.